All right, let's get a quick check of the markets here because really they have been all over the map. We are now seeing the Nasdaq in the green, and I'm just hanging out on the Yahoo Finance trending ticker page on the platform. And I look at Beyond Meat. We were talking about Beyond Meat at the earlier part of the show. You saw shares down about double digits. Beyond Meat shares have reversed, and they are now up 5%. Again, we're seeing a lot of interesting movement here in the markets. And Julie, the reversal in the case of Beyond Meat and some of the other stocks today have been quite striking.
Yeah, and it's just happening in the last, 10 minutes or so. So I ran out over here to the Interactive. The Nasdaq Composite turning higher here than the S&P 500 had very briefly gone into the green and is coming back down. But let's take a look at those meme stocks because they are getting a lot of attention here. So here's our meme stocks heat map, if you will. And we are seeing some notable movers to the upside, especially the two OGs when it comes to memes, right? AMC shares are up some 18% right now, and you can see the spike that we saw. What did you call it, Brad, earlier? You said somebody on Twitter called it angry buying, perhaps in today's session, that we were having this frustration with the sell-off that we had seen, and now people are coming back in. But if you look at the year-to-date chart of AMC, it's obviously just a blip here. But I believe if we're looking at GameStop, we're seeing a similar move upward here, 26% today. If we go back to today's chart, even as the stock is still down quite a bit year-to-date. But similar pattern here when we're looking at these various meme stocks, that there's just all of a sudden a rush back in. I have to wonder what's going on Reddit right now, what people are looking at when they're looking at these various stocks. Another one that caught our eye, by the way, is the ARK Innovation Fund, which also saw a spike upwards, pretty dramatic spike upwards. I believe it's up in the neighborhood of 6%, at least last time I checked, but it's a quickly moving situation. Tesla turned upward after down. How much was this stock down earlier today? It was down some 5% or something like that in the pre-market, and now has reversed higher. Zoom has reversed higher today. Now it's up just about 1%. So we're seeing this similar sort of coordinated move in a lot of these different stocks. Who knows, maybe they hit just the threshold where there was a buying order that got put in. I don't know what's going on, guys, but it's
Coinbase still down, though.
Pretty interesting. Is it still down?
Down 3%.
I just wanted to call up the trending tickers real quick, too, because you just mentioned Beyond Meat to see what else we're seeing on that list. Disney still in the red, however, as well. So like Coinbase, Apple, interestingly, is still in the red. Maybe it's not memey enough to have turned higher. But indeed, look at Beyond Meat. It's up 5% now, guys.